Trucks with no drivers, no cabins, just pure autonomous power. China is turning science fiction into reality with driverless cargo transportation already moving thousands of parcels and containers every single day. Let's take a ride into the future of logistics. In Hainan, ZTO Express runs ghost trucks, driverless delivery vehicles that can carry over 1,000 parcels each, navigating traffic lights, pedestrians and highways with no human on board. Meanwhile, at major Chinese ports like Shanghai and Nantong, autonomous container trucks operate 24/7 with centimeter-level precision, saving fuel and cutting labor costs. Then come the heavyweights, companies like Inceptio Technology and Pony.ai. Inceptio has logged over 60 million kilometers accident-free with autonomous heavy trucks, already used by Budweiser, Nestle, and JD Logistics. Pony.ai runs autonomous truck convoys between Beijing and Tianjin, transporting hundreds of shipping containers on expressways without drivers. So how do these trucks work? They combine LiDAR, radar and cameras with 5G and V2X communication, allowing trucks to talk to traffic lights, other vehicles, and even warehouses. AI software controls acceleration, braking, and lane changes, handling traffic smoothly and predicting road conditions in real time. China is also pioneering cross-border driverless cargo, with autonomous trucks already operating at the Kazakhstan-China border. And it doesn't stop on the ground. The CHYH-1000 cargo drone can carry a full ton of goods for over 10 hours, creating a new era of unmanned aerial logistics. Driverless trucks cut fuel use by up to 10%, eliminate driver shortages, and work 24/7 without fatigue. For China, this means cheaper shipping, faster deliveries, and a head start in the global race for autonomous logistics. And while many countries are still running small trials, China is already deploying fleets at scale. So, are driverless trucks the future of freight, or just the beginning of something bigger? Tell us what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the future of logistics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights.